Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about Shandong University of Science and Technology Chinese government scholarship. Just online apply because many of students asking about this how we apply for this scholarship. So let's start. So first you type CSC Guide official and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can see our website cscguideofficial.com. Okay, and click on this link or go to the scholarship admission, CSC scholarship admission. So I click on Shandong University of Science and Technology. When we click here, you can see the advertisement of this university, the Chinese Government Scholarship Authority, university name Shandong University of Science and Technology. This is for master and PhD students, fully funded. Everything is free. 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply on CSC portal. No need to send hard copies. 15th of May 2020 is the last date. So 3 or 4 days ago I sent me email to the university. So about applying procedure for this university. So they told me that you just apply on CSC portal and no need to apply on university portal. So many students confused about that, how we find university portal for this scholarship. So just online apply on CSC portal, no need to apply on university portal. So I'll also tell you which major they offer for scholarship, so don't worry about this, stay connected with me. I also asked from them that what is the deadline for CS scholarship in your university. They told me 5.5 means 5th of May 2020 is the last date. All international students can apply. Age limit for master 35, for PhD 40 years. No need of IELTS, you can apply with English proficiency certificate. Okay, and how to apply for this? First you fill the Chinese government scholarship CSC online application form. Click here, upload all required documents. Okay, no need to send hard copies, and result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, now which documents required for this scholarship? So you can see first you fill the CSC online application form, agency number this 10424. All these required documents, mostly CSC scholarship online application form required these documents. So this is the applying procedure. Just fill the CSC online application form. Click here to go to the online application form and upload all these required documents. No need to apply on university portal, no need to send hard copies, no need to send email your documents to the university. So just online apply CSC form on CSC portal. So now go to the CSC online application portal. I'll tell you which major they offer. So visit studyinchina.csc.edu.cn. okay, and you can see that I click on my application. So I click on my applications, and when you can see all this is for demo. So I applied in these universities. So I click on edit. Okay, so I click on edit. When I click on edit, you can see I put the agency number of the university 10242. You can see Shandong University of Science and Technology. Chinese proficiency none. If you have, then select according to your situation. So if you have HSK, then click HSK. If you don't have any if you don't have IELTS, if you have IELTS, then click yes. If you don't have IELTS, then click on no. Okay, so if you want to apply for master degree, then select master and you select your major according to your condition. So I select Chinese, and when I select Chinese, you can see all five majors are available. So I select engineering. When you select engineering, you can see all these majors. The majors including in this, all these majors include in this list. It means you apply for this. You can your major is available and you can eligible for this scholarship. Okay, so now I select management. When you select management, you can see 4 majors are available: management, science, engineering, accounting, and this. Okay, and next I select natural sciences. Means if your major is available in the list, it means you are eligible and your major is and it means university offering your majors for scholarship. Okay, now I select Chinese. When I select Chinese, so I select law. Then you can see these are the majors. Okay, now select engineering. You can see engineering and material science and engineering and processing, all these things. Okay, it means all these majors are available. So click on management. Okay, and these 4 majors are available. Okay, and these are the documents which required all, you can see the list, photo, certificate of highest education, study plan, and these things. Okay, no other things required like English study plan, blood test reports, police clear certificate, nothing will be required. Okay, so we met you in the next video. Good luck and take care of you. Allah Hafiz.